a very different juicing video. I haven't done all my mixes yet because I'm creating a reel for each juice, but they're just pouring reels. Because last year, I feel like as if I didn't do enough or rarely any juicing reels, so I definitely want to include that. So I'm just going to taste everything at the end, but just bear with me. That's juice number 1, pineapple, strawberry, and oranges. I haven't added the lemon, ginger and all that yet because I forgot to include the ginger in that. I'll just put in the text, ginger is included in here. I can't just put the clip there, but look how cute! Okay, so that marks juice number 1. Juice number 2 is going to be, well, it is because I already mixed it. Apple, oranges, and pineapple. You guys want to see my little setup right now? Look, check me out. All right, that's one reel down. Now I gotta watch it back, make sure it's cute. Oh, you know what? Let's make this a reel number 2. B-roll is always great. Then I gotta go back to the football game. Like, what? Oh my goodness. You guys, I don't know when I'm gonna post this, but just know I'm watching the Cowboys get spanked by Green Bay. Holy guacamole. 27-0. We're going into halftime.
Coach Jake from State Farm.
Damn, like I'm no Cowboys fan, but I expected better from them.
Me?
Damn.
I just did not see this.
That's tough. Hello friends, Editing Jazzy here. Listen, I know this is a completely different episode of my color-coded juicing series than usual, but listen, there's one thing I have to start doing. Well, I have to stop doing. Watching football, well, deciding to film as I watch football or when a game is coming on. I need to make sure I finish hours before because listen, I cannot believe I didn't do an intro or outro. I know I did not accidentally delete any footage from my camera because it's just not my vibe. I know. I thought back to it. I was like, hell, maybe I did actually accidentally delete it, but I didn't. I thought back to it. I was like, no, I was just too shocked that Cowboys allowed themselves to get spanked. And then there's another good game. It was just, Anyhow, before I ramble too long, thank you all so much for watching. I know it was different than usual, but I kind of enjoyed editing the video this way. So if you enjoyed it as well, let me know in the comments because I think I may start editing this way more because I honestly did have fun. I was still doing intros and outros because like I said, I felt kind of rude. I know it's just a video, but I still felt so rude about it. Anyhow, if you are looking to start juicing, learn more about juicing or find a juicing community, be sure to check out my color-coded juicing series playlist on my channel so you can catch up on all my previous juicing videos from 2023 and see the major difference that I'm referring to. And also I need some gloss because I'm outside, it's getting kind of chilly. Anyhow, thank you all so much. Talk to you next time.